Is chicken friendly? Ah! It feels amazing having this vlog out because it's the only video where I've actually had to put in effort to create and also edit. And also the GoPro is fucking awesome, so it's cool to have a full video on a brand new camera. I've just woken up and I'm fucking waffling right now. I need a coffee. I'm not having any whiskey shots today, and probably not having any schnuff tobacco, but we will see. Beautiful place. Hello, good morning. I'm good, how are you? That's good, that's good. Just me, yeah, by myself today.
Yeah, will we have sitting here?
Yes, please, thank you very much. Just had a nice coffee at Boone. Low-key beginning to be my new favorite place here. Beautiful, obviously, hut behind me. The coffee was great, especially for a Bali coffee. But look at this, mate. This is sick. And I seen an absolute behemoth of a fucking cow over there. Now, because I'm coming back in May, I might either come back early or stay longer and be by myself. But I'm gonna look at accommodation. Is the lobby down here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah?
You can go inside, yeah.
Ah, perfect. Thank you very much.
Welcome.
Alright. I think these are like storing sheds for the rice field tools and that. Oh my god, this place is fucking beautiful, man. Whoa. No, I'm definitely staying here next time. Maybe even all the boys can get an apartment here. Everyone's got their shoes off. I'll be respectful. Okay, I see a hostel in there. Bunks, I don't want to really stay in that. But I'm pretty sure I'm seeing, yeah, like singular apartments over here. So maybe I do stay. Let's just see if I get any service. Because my bike's here in 2 minutes. Oh my god, he's racing. He's a racist. Man, this really is just beautiful. One full day, I am ready to be with you. I don't think he just wants to drive me. Hello. I was wondering, how much is it to stay here for one night?
For one night?
Yeah.
Private room?
Yes.
450 per night.
450 per night.
Yeah.
And is there like a long stay discount?
If you will stay long, I will give you discount.
How long is long? Like 1 week, 1 month?
1 week, 1 month. If 1 month, stay here 8 million, but not include electricity, and then for cleaning, 2 times for 1 week.
8 million?
Yeah.
For 1 month?
Yeah.
It's really good. Makasih.
See you.
See ya. Perfect. Thank you, Agung. Thank you, brother. Righty. Hello. For Mustang? Mustang Red? That's me, brother. Makasih.
Yeah.
Ready when you are. Guys, I just got to the gym and it appears to be a construction site. Hello. Right. Hello, brother. Ah, gym's right here. Can I get a day pass, please? Eddie! Eddie's here. How you doing, brother?
Good, brother. How are you?
Ah, good to see you. I'm great.
Where
I'm
is
great.
Lucas?
He's meant to be on his way. I think he should be here any minute.
No, I didn't see him.
He's not here yet?
Yeah.
He's coming, he's coming. How you doing, brother? How you doing? So Tommy here is giving us a great plan. What are we doing, Tommy?
We wanna eat durian.
Durian.
Durian is. I wanna see his reaction while eat durian.
We're gonna go to some sort of supermarket, get the durian, then we're gonna meet at Manta, and then I promise you we're going to the waterfalls. I've been saying it for 3 days, but we're doing it today.
Good.
Bagus.
See you, brother.
I've never had sugarcane juice before. We found a little spot. And we're gonna let you know how it is. Luke is gassed. Hello. Do you take card?
Yeah.
Could we get two just one sugar cane juice?
Yeah, what size? Small or medium?
We just guess. How big's the small one?
Let's get a medium.
We get a medium. We get a medium.
Medium or one medium?
Just
One medium. The drinks arrived. It's good?
Good.
Yeah? Sweet.
Yeah.
You want to try some? You want some? No? Here we go, guys. We're gonna split the G. Whoa!
Yes, bro.
Whoa, very sweet. Yo, give that a go. Jeez, very sweet, eh? This sugarcane is where they make. It's where they make sugar.
No, only the bamboo.
Ah, but do they make sugar from the same thing? Is that where sugar comes from?
No, only the bamboo, this one.
Ah, okay. Delicious. Makasih. Hell yeah. No way we're finishing that. I'm actually done already. Sorry, brother, can I pull this out?
Please.
Thank you. Oh, appreciate you, bro. Alright, well. Like a shot of it would have been alright, eh? Actually, yeah. We've already had it. What is good, gang, man? Woo! We're out here driving like lunatics, but with a helmet on, so it's safe. We just hired the bikes, and we're gonna drive ourselves to a bud. But first and foremost, like I said, we're gonna go try some durian. And from what I've heard, I could vomit just from the smell. Apparently, the taste is alright, but from the smell. Oh my god, so much shit in my eyes. Cut to us getting the durian. We're at Festivo. This is the chicken I was telling you about. Unreal. Fabian! Hey. Look who's here. Yo, how you doing, bro? What are you getting? Some dates?
Yeah.
Beautiful. How you doing, bro?
Oh, yeah. We're going gym.
Good.
Waterfall, right?
We're going Waterfalls. But we want to try some durian first.
Oh.
Have you had?
No.
You want to try some with us? But we're eating it at 12 o'clock because we're meeting up with some other people at Manta.
Yeah?
Yeah?
Yeah, but we go today to gym.
You going right now?
Yeah.
Ah.
Half hour.
Ah, never mind.
Yeah.
Never mind.
Bro, we see you.
Of course, brother, of course. Take care.
Bye.
Yo, crazy, bumping into everyone lately. Excuse me, brother. You have durian? Ah, whoa, it's spiky. This one and this one?
Yeah.
We'll get the big one, eh? Oh, fuck, it's so spiky, bro. Yo.
That's what it looks like, usually when you walk in, you can smell that smell.
Yeah, but
That's literally doing.
probably won't smell till I open today.
It's anything till you open it.
Oh man, how are we gonna fucking transport this?
I'll give you a bag for sure.
It ain't gonna matter, right?
Minta tolong wrapping.
Ah, makasih.
Iya, sama-sama.
With a big knife.
Iya, big. Wrappingnya.
Thank you very much. Right, cut to us at the beach. So they've wrapped it up and it's done absolutely nothing because look at the spikes coming out. And Luca's getting a bird.
No surprise.
First time ever. Oh, fuck me, man. This thing's digging into my fucking ankles, bro. Oh. Better be good. You want a little bit? Yeah? Alright. Ah, you fucking prick. Expensive, dangerous, covered in termites and fucking ants.
And that's just me.
And it stinks.
Yeah.
Luca's dick. The durian should be good. Hello. You like durian?
Yes.
It's good. It's good. Bagus. Bagus.
Open here?
We do it over there. Yeah. Cause it stinks, yeah. Makasih. Bit of a ladies' man I am, Luca.
Yes, yeah, you are, man. You're on the prowl for the grand.
Batigal. How you doing, bro?
Durian, good.
We got some durian.
What did you get?
Yeah?
Yeah.
You like it?
I like it.
Yeah? It smells good?
Yeah. The smell is good for me.
But not for me, not for me.
Try. Try.
Perfect. I think we wait for Tommy and Addy,
Alright.
and then we cut it open.
Alright.
Can we cut it here?
Yeah.
That's okay?
Yeah, that's
Makasi, brother, Makasi. We take a sit down then. A little sit down wee for the boys. Ah, fuck me, man. This thing is so heavy. Look. Connect the dots. Or I've just slapped a gal with Herbie. I'm gonna show the little Owen boys the durians, and also beg for a cigarette from Bali local. Durian, brother, you want some?
Let's go, let's go.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Give me 10 minutes, 10 minutes.
No, brother, I have class.
Gale! How are you boys? Look, looky.
Durian.
Durian, you like it?
It's mine.
It's yours?
Nah.
You want to try some with us?
Of course, why not?
You like it? Hey, whoa, crazy.
You wanna try?
Yeah, hold. Nah.
Look at this shit. Come on, bro.
Whoa, let me see the knife. Hell yeah. I think the first thing we gotta do is smell it, yeah?
Yeah. It's hard not to.
Yes. You wanna have some?
Want to join?
Come on. Oh, it doesn't sound like it's good then, no? Okay, but it smells beautiful, eh?
This is good.
Of course. Running, I'll go grab the boys. You want some durian? We're having the durian.
Alright, thank
Yeah?
you so much.
You coming?
Yeah.
Perfect, brother.
Look at this motherfucker.
Look at this motherfucker. Whoosh! I'll see you there, bro. Where's Gale? You want some durian?
Where's my durian?
Durian! We all have some durian? Come on.
Hey, where's my durian?
Where's this durian, guys?
What the fucking durian?
Where's the fucking durian?
Where?
Over here, brother, over
Hey,
here.
bro! What the fuck?
It's not Gale, but yo!
Open. Let him open.
Open it.
Hold on. This one.
Hurry up, brother, hurry up.
Hurry up, come on.
Like this.
Which one?
Are these good?
You open the line in here.
Okay.
Whoa! Bloody durian.
Bagus.
Gini.
It doesn't smell too bad.
Don't smell too bad, bro.
Oh,
Come on, I cannot wait.
he can't wait. He's itching. He needs it.
Oh, that line there.
Professional.
Yeah, I'm not professional, I just professional eat.
You see?
Mm-mm-mm. Oh! He can't wait.
Hey, cannot wait. Brother.
Yeah.
Maya, bang!
Okay, Luca.
But it smells delicious. What do you mean?
What do you guys say? Eat it. Okay.
Ah, bagus.
It's good.
Bagus.
Oh, you are Indonesian now.
Hey. But it's durian or jackfruit?
It's durian.
But it smells good.
Hey, big one!
Whoa!
Fucking good, bro.
Fucking good. Bloody fucking good.
What's your name?
My name is motherfucker.
Motherfucker.
This is motherfucker.
Good, brother. It's beautiful.
One more. Hello, motherfucker. Yes, Mr. Motherfucker.
Cut the line.
Cut the line.
Yeah.
It's super creamy.
So creamy. Motherfucker.
Motherfucker.
It's so fucking good.
Until here. Until what? Until.
Get your fingers in there, Luca.
Okay.
You friend of Hardy?
Okay.
Yeah.
And
Hardy,
Some.
you book with me.
Oh, quick!
Tony.
What's his name?
Fuck Tony.
Fuck Tony. Oh, your name Fuck Tony, eh?
Motherfucker and fuck Tony.
Motherfucker.
yeah, open the door. Oh yeah.
Oh,
mate.
beautiful. It's actually really good.
Yeah, I'm loving it. Yeah,
This
yeah.
is really good, yeah.
Yeah, you know, very good.
It smells good as well.
Yeah. It doesn't smell bad. I thought durian's supposed to smell bad.
One more, yeah?
One more. Get some durian, brother.
One more. Mine.
Right here.
One more.
Where he's taking him.
Hey, Fuck Tony.
Fuck Tony.
Tony. So fast.
Have some durian, brother.
This one?
I think so, yeah. Crack it open. Crack it open.
Correct.
I am.
So, how can people say durian smells bad?
I don't know. Much of European people don't like the smell, and
Oh, okay.
but not everybody. You like that, right?
It smells like a, like an apple almost.
Not like an apple, like a milk.
Yeah.
Milk. Tastes like milk. Super creamy. It looks so cool.
You or me?
Rock, paper, scissors.
Alright, do it.
Oh, well.
Ready?
I'm ready. Rock paper.
Rock, paper. Ah! Nah, all yours, brother. All yours.
No,
This is enough. Okay, brother.
So
If you like the vlog so far, subscribe, comment, like, follow Instagrams, and share it with everyone you love and hate. $14 milligram tar for how much? 35
1
gram?
milligram of nicotine. 38 tar.
Bro, it's like a, you know the Yu-Gi-Oh cards with the power rating?
Oh yeah. Wait, are these like the little small ones?
Yeah,
They
but,
are.
but they're dense. There's still 20 in here?
Oh no. I'll get these.
12 cigarettes.
Oh, that's pretty right. I'll grab these anyway.
Right, well, we'll try these. We take these ones, please.
Go for it. You got a toilet? Oh no.
No, we don't have.
Not for white people.
Jay.
Yo, Kombi! This is one of my favorite roads in all of Bali. It's just magic, man. Like, and this intersection right here, I love it. I don't know what it is, I love this part. Dougie! Hello! Oh, look at him! Chilling in the field. Woo! Alrighty. I think we're very close to the waterfall. All the views are starting to get very, very beautiful. And I'm seeing more and more white people driving. Dougie! Huh? Something to drink? A coconut? How much? Cheap price. You're not gonna tell me till I'm paying. Local price. Is chicken friendly?
Chicken fighting.
Ah! Can we... Wait, is there cockfight tonight? Chicken fighting.
It's not a cow.
Where?
There's a fella doing it.
Oh my god.
Jaden, you're Dory.
Hello. Oh. Amazing. How are you? That's good. Ah, that's good. Is there cockfighting tonight?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, maybe we come.
Yes.
Are we allowed?
Yeah, I can help you to drive.
Oh,
Yeah?
thank you.
You just follow me. You can. I can. Thank you.
No?
Thank you so much.
It's okay.
Would you like one?
No.
No?
Was she like one?
No, no.
Oh, she wants one.
Hello.
Hello.
We have a coconut?
Follow you.
To the cockfight, we follow you?
Follow you to the cockfight.
Perfect, perfect.
Jangan pedawai.
Is it in a bud?
In close to Ubud.
Close to a bud.
How many minutes?
From here, around 20.
20 minutes.
We'll do it.
Yeah.
What
What time did you know? What time?
Coconut. I can choose? I can choose which one?
Yeah.
I like this one.
Red.
It's the best one? The best one?
The best one.
We share one?
3 o'clock.
We share one.
3 o'clock.
Yeah.
Oh, soon.
Romantic coconut.
Hey, 3 o'clock, mate.
What time's it now?
Oh, one time.
Oh, perfect.
3 o'clock until 6 o'clock.
Oh,
Okay.
Oh, so can we go at like 4 maybe?
Yes.
Because we're gonna jump off the waterfall.
Yes. After to visit waterfall, you
Come back here.
Come back here.
back. I can have to follow you.
Thank you
Oh,
very much.
perfect.
Thank you very much. One coconut, please. Not bad, kid. Not bad.
It's different from the cockfighting I know, son.
We'll see. Hello.
What are you playing?
You playing a game?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
What did you just tell me?
So go eat that rice, you little rice plate.
Can I eat? Can I try some rice?
I have.
You have?
Oh, he's got some.
Oh, perfect. We sit over here. Makasih.
Sama-sama.
The best coconut in Bali.
The best coconut in Bali.
No.
Best coconut in the world.
This one I take it
That's already made.
the last harvest.
Ah, beautiful.
This the rice.
This is it.
No, ma.
Beautiful. Fluffy as.
It's pure.
Mmm. Oh my god, that is beautiful.
Nenek, senang.
Bang bang 500.
So this is the freshest rice I've ever eaten.
Press.
Makasih.
Yeah.
Makasih.
Where you come from?
Australia.
Australia.
And he's from Spain.
Fine.
Yeah.
Spania.
We try this.
Red Bull.
Red Bull.
Matador.
I have Matador, yes. You like it? Ah, it's like the chicken fighting. The
Same
whole
like
fight, same like chicken.
Beautiful. Tastes good. Tastes good. I am. Ah, okay.
Can I hold him?
Wait.
He's stressed.
Yeah. Up. You put up. No.
Oh. Oh, yeah. Where's the little fella?
Roman.
Oh, do you?
Hey.
He's fighting chicken.
Do they ever bite you? No.
No. Not him.
This still
Because
young.
then he becomes dinner if he bites you.
Because this still young. Jojo makcos ya.
Emang.
Still young.
Ah,
Okay.
little baby.
3 months to go, we can to start to fight.
3 more months? Yeah, okay.
Cute buddy.
This around 5 months.
So when they're 8 months, they start fighting.
Hey buddy. You gonna hold him?
Yeah, I'll hold him. He doesn't like me.
It's okay, no worries.
You can already hear the women. So Luca's gonna try and hit a front flip dive.
Try to.
He's going to hit a front flip dive. Oh my god, mate, how do we get on top? It's unreal. Who asked this guy? Woo! Bro, that is tall as fuck. Holy shit. Oh my god. Oh yes, fuck yes. I was hoping we got some Instagram models doing some photo shoots. Hey brother, how you doing? Hey, how do I get to the top? To jump off?
Not from the top, from in the middle.
Ah, from here we can jump off.
Yeah.
We can't do the
No.
top? It's not safe?
Not enough in the bottom.
Ah, okay. Have you done it? Have you?
Only in the middle.
You've only done the middle?
Yeah.
Okay.
Only in the middle. Many customer jump from there.
Ah, okay. Right, okay. Well, it's not as high as we thought. Okay, we'll go jump, brother. Thank you very much. Hey, brother. All right. Huh?
How'd you get there?
We have to swim there? Okay.
Oh yeah, of course.
Out of the way. Woohoo! How is the sun? It's beautiful. Let's go. Woo! Woo! Oh, mate. Oh, that is powerful, bro. Yeah. Oh my god. Yeah. Oh wait, after that, I got a picture real quick. Oh, that's the good stuff right there, man. Oh, I'm still going. Oh yeah. Yeah, we let him.
I'm jumping, my trousers get caught on the rock and all you see is my arm.
Bro, it's like a beautiful family, yeah. You're fucking this way out, cock out and everything. Beautiful. If you're loving the vlog, subscribe, like, comment to Big J and a beach boy diving off the waterfall looking for big body gal. Only the big body gal can subscribe to my channel. Give it a try. Okay, she's taking her time. Oh fuck, she's taking too long. We're going for a dive, baby. We're going for a dive. Oh my god, I almost fucking fell. Forward, blood! I did not dive, I fucking bailed. This is what I should out, boys and girls. There he is, Monkey Man. Did he survive? Unreal. We'll try and find something else to do here. But stay tuned because we're going to a cockfight. One of the locals offers to take us there. But I think we have to gamble to be a part of it. So we have to gamble. I don't make the rules, Luca. I just follow them religiously. Let's go for a walk down here. Not bad. Cut to us at the cockfight, baby. And then we're going to the chicken fight. We've arrived at the cockfight place, but we forgot to go to the ATM to get our gamble money. Where are we, Luca? Cockfight. Okay. Hello. I don't think I can actually put this on YouTube, but I'll test my limits. How can I put money on? Later. Okay, later.
We'll gamble later.
Yeah. I don't like the sound of that. I want to gamble now. So if you have your chicken here, do they give you like a small part of the money?
Yes.
Yeah? Yes. Yeah? So you always make money if you bring a chicken?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So your chicken's gonna come here?
3 days.
Sorry?
3 days ago.
3 days ago? Oh, you already did?
Yeah, with my father,
Mm-hmm.
I bring 2 chicken
Yep.
and then 1 winner.
Ah, okay. Do you get more for winning?
Maybe later.
No. If your chicken wins, you get a lot of money?
Yes.
Yeah? And if you lose, you still get some money?
Yes.
Oh, okay, good. Yeah, making sure. Okay. And how much, so if I put 100k on, how much would I get back if I win?
Maybe later if you got 100, you bet 100 money, you got 100.
Ah, okay, so I make 100 extra.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Odds to take.
Good odds. Yeah, so blackjack.
If you bet money inside, maybe you take 20%.
Oh, they take 20. Oh, so I put 100, I get 800.
Yes.
Okay. You gonna tell me which one?
Yeah, let's check.
Okay. Made the fatal mistake of not charging my spare battery. So we've got like 10% left on the GoPro, so I'm gonna savor it. But me and Luca are gonna use our critical thinking, as Luke Belmar would say, to choose the winning chicken. So good luck to us. This is brutal. You can see here what he's doing. He's getting twine and he's putting it around like a really sharp blade, and he'll put it on the chicken leg. So when the chickens kick each other, they're slicing each other up. And I'm definitely not allowed to put it on YouTube because there is a lot of blood and feathers, but I will commentate. I don't know. Which one?
Left one?
Left?
That one.
Okay.
You got the money.
I've got the money.
Oh, 100.
100.
Awesome. Give 100. 100. No, just 100.
100
Just 100.
Oh, you need 100?
100 each.
I don't think I can post this on YouTube.
Ông nãy limon nè.
We commentate. Come on, no.
Là nó phải đau.
No, he's
Là nó phải
not.
đau. Là nó phải đau. Quý bố lên một con.
We lose. We win the next one. Luca's trying to buy one of the fighting knives. Yeah, how much? Price, money. You're not selling?
Everything's got a price.
Everything's got a price, kid.
Yeah, I like this one. It's all the same. Oh, big one.
We're betting on the white. Strategic. Yeah, look, we got hit in the lower back.
It's all good.
That's not a vital spot. It's not a vital spot. No crucial hits on us. They're getting put in they get put in this cage. It's like a death match. So originally the payout is like a 1 to 1.8. So like if I but if you do 50, I think you get like 70 back or something. But this gentleman here, he wants to go and hedge it. He said the full 50. If I win, he takes my. If I win, I take his 50. If he wins, he takes my 50. We've gone white. He's gone grey. Come on. Yes. We getting cooked?
I think so.
Rematch, bro. We're clean. No cuts. That's not our blood. That's not our blood, mate. Ending on a win, son. Woo! 2 versus 1. We made some of our money back.
Reckon, mate.
Go on, son. Silver deal.
Slowly, slowly.
Slowly, yeah?
Yeah.
Dangerous.
Too strong.
Maybe this one here?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey. Yes.
Yeah?
Whoa.
Whoa, whoa!
Ah, yeah. Crazy sharp. We do something else? We cut some shit up? We cut some shit up. Right guys, cut to something later. I don't know what we got planned, but I think we're meeting up with Julian. We're gonna charge a GoPro. Cut to that son. We made -50. Nothing else eventful has happened. Vlog over, sub.